an amazing film, and it's the only Christmas-themed film this MMFF. How does it feel that you're part of this film?
Thank you. I'm super excited to be a part of Reconnect. Like I said in my, when we did the press con, nung in-offer sa akin yung project, hindi na ako nagpatumpik-tumpik pa, umuuwa ako kagad kasi I super love the story. It's the first time I'm doing something that's not a love story na parang centered on two characters. So, I'm excited kasi ang daming kwento, ang daming magagaling na artista, at ang dami rin mapupulot na iba-ibang aral dito sa pelikulang to. So, it's really the perfect Christmas film.
Lovely. And yung character niyo po dito is a representation of OFWs. So mga Filipinos abroad. Ngayong Pasko, when they can't reconnect with their families, what is your message to them?
I know, I actually just got back from Dubai. I flew with TFC, and when we were talking about this movie, they were so excited kasi syempre kulang na kulang ang representation ng OFWs sa pelikulang Pilipino, lalo na pag medyo mas batang artista. So, I'm happy with how Direct Jade formed the characters of Trisha and Gigi, played by Andrea Brillantes. Ibang-iba to sa OFW na napanood nyo na sa pelikula. So, different take on what a modern OFW is.
That's amazing. Ang daming mga hardworking Pinoys abroad that will surely appreciate a story like this.
Definitely.
Makaka-relate sila ngayong Pasko.
Sobra, sobra. At mabibigyan sila ng pugay. In our small way.
Totoo. To acknowledge them, what a great deed of yours. Ngayong Pasko, what will you say to the Filipino audience na bakit mag-reconnect sila sa December 25?
Yes. Nako, talagang panahon na para mag-reconnect. It's so funny kasi diba, our movie starts with us disconnecting from the internet. But I guess sometimes parang kung kailan pa tayo nagdi-disconnect from something that we think is important, then tayo nag-reconnect with ourselves, with the people we love, with our family, our friends. So this might be a movie na parang for me very timely. Kailangan mapanood talaga ngayon kasi sa tingin ko, panahon para makita nga ng sambayan ng Pilipino na it's time to reconnect with ourselves. Very well said, Bella. Thank you so very well said.
Thank you so much. Let's give it up once again for Bella Padilla.
Alright, ito naman. Sunod-sunod na to, Michael.
Ito na, Nikki.
Let's introduce naman the creative mind behind the Reconnect na all. Welcome, Direct Jade Castro!
This Christmas, mahahandog namin sa inyo. Super exciting and super fulfilling to be here. And maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagpunta.
Ayan ako, thank you so much. So ako din, Michael, curious din ako. Gusto ko patanungin ang ating mga bisita ngayon, ang ating cast. Kaya how does it feel ba to be part of this movie and being with your characters? Kamusta ba?
A special movie and coming dito, really an ensemble. How does it feel, guys?
Okay.
Ako yung character ko kasi talaga dito, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa before. So, ngayong Christmas part ako ng naughty list. Di ba may naughty list tayo kapag Pasko?
Yes.
Ako ang unang-unang imbis na ma-feel kayo with love and happiness and positivity. Ako naman yung lahat ng negative at iiwasan ngayong Christmas. So, abangan nyo yan.
Yes, alright. So, Kokoy, ikaw naman?
Ikaw pag Pasko ka lang naughty, ako lagi akong naughty. And then ako, syempre, it feels great. Wow, it feels great. Syempre, mapasama sa roster ng grabe, diba? Lahat ng mga veterano. At syempre, looking forward ako na kupanood yung pamilya ko, nandyan yung pamilya ko eh. Ako, pumasok na ata. Shout out. Tsaka sa mga Colocos ko nandyan din. Hello! Pamaking ko. Kaya sa'yo.
Yes, I love it. Okay, so, I think ngayon naman, Michael, invite ulit natin si Raph at si Dom dito.
Oo.
So, meron tayong special question for
Yes.
Happy
This Christmas, I will reconnect with myself.
I love it. Ang ganda nun. Ang dami nakarelate doon. Okay? Dom, ikaw naman?
With me, I would reconnect with my family. Kasi yung family ko nasa US, so I want to reconnect with them.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. Ikaw naman, Raph?
I will reconnect with them to find my inner peace.
Wow! Ang lalim naman ng Raph. Okay, ikaw naman, Kokoy. Last but not the least.
I want to reconnect with my voice. Kailangan akong boses. Hindi, sa pamilya ko rin, syempre, kasi naging busy rin. Syempre, blessed ako bago magpasko. Uwi ako ng Cavite. Actually, na-excite niya ako. Ikaw, Michael, kanina ako gusto mag-reconnect?
Ayan, ang ganda! Let's go, Michael!
Ako excited ako mag-reconnect sa'yo, Kokoy, Alexa. Reunion nating tatlo, di ba? Kaya congratulations guys sa maganda yung pelikula at sana ngayong Pasko, mag-reconnect yung boses mo, Kokoy.
Feeling ko magre-reconnect na walang boses niya.
Dapat lang.
Nako, maraming salamat. Palakpakan ulit natin, of course, about the cast of Reconnect!
Yes!
We have Raf, Dong, Alexa, and Kokoy. A round of applause, please!
Let's go, Trinoma!
Ayan na, nagkagulo na ang mga tao para sa Horizon. Okay, very excited. So, hindi lang sila matutuwa sa movie, matutuwa din sila sa mga songs na marinig nila.
Kasi, you know, we can listen to the songs after the movie, before the film. Ma-LSS tayo, di ba?
Hindi ko kayo ito, kailangan mag-iwin sa social media.
Nako!
Ay, wala kong alam mo, marami na yung makikita bisita natin later on. Very excited na i-welcome natin sila.
So,
Okay.
being the second grand premiere at the Social Wonder Film Festival, this one is starting on star-studded. Nagsisimula pa rin tayo, ang dami natin mga special guests. At of course, abangan po natin mamaya-maya lang ang pagdating ng bigating cast and crew
Yeah!
of Reconnect. Alam ko, excited na kayo? Mamaya, show them your love and energy. Because this is their grand premiere. They are the official OST ng Reconnect. Welcome, welcome.
Excited na lahat. Hindi pa na nila-serve yung output of energy later. Sa mga nakakapagod dito. Ay, hindi na magbili naman kayo kainin eh.
Yeah, okay. Ito, we have another one walking on the red carpet. Ang napaka-pogi, Prince Carlos.
Hello, Prince! Welcome!
Prince, Merry Christmas.
Okay, daw.
Pogi ka, Prince. Enjoy the movie.
Ayan, ito susunod na to.
Ito, Mickey. Introducer. Very beautiful. And you like to have people go ahead.
Alam ko, isa ko sa mga...
Uy, pa-black naman tayo ni showbiz.
Please join us here on stage.
Nice to see you.
Michelle, congrats.
Hi, Gerald.
Merry
Nice to
Christmas.
see you. Yes! O, diba? Mag-reunite din tayo dito. Anyway, Gerald, ito, may isang katanungan lang ako. Why do you think that Reconnect is the perfect film ngayong Pasko? And this is as your first film as a film producer and syempre yung 20th year mo rin as an actor.
Well, syempre good evening po muna sa inyong lahat. Sana po ay ngayong December 25 makanood kayo ng Reconnect. I promise sa inyong lahat magugustuhan nyo. Pinaghirapan po ng marami tao to and I love Reconnect kasi nag-iisang Christmas movie ngayong MMFF. So, kung gusto nyo makaramdam ng Paskong Christmas feelings, ito yung perfect movie.
Yes.
There we have it. Very special to you as it marks
Yes, sir.
your
Yes, sir.
20th anniversary day. And again, guys, it's a Christmas-themed movie here to spread the good vibes, the season of giving ngayong Pasko. December 25, please watch out for Reconnect in cinemas.
Yes, Reconnect.
Yeah,
Reconnect
congratulations
tayo
once again. May we call on the rest of the cast
Yes.
to join us here on stage
Kami
for a
namin
special...
dito. Ayan. Okay, a round of applause, please. Palakpakan naman natin ang buong cast ng Reconnect!
Trinoma, give it once again for the cast of Reconnect. Give it your best smile. Look at those cameras. 1, 2. Sabihin naman natin ang the Reconnect. 1, 2, 3. Reconnect. inside to the cinemas and experience the wonderful red carpet and photo booths.